Osgood is tracking our forecast. All of a sudden this afternoon started to notice that humidity again creeping in just a little bit.
After the rain we saw this morning, it actually woke me up around 6 in the morning. So it was raining so hard. And then, when I got out this afternoon, I was like, ooh, it's cool, but it's so humid that it doesn't really feel that cool.
Right.
And we're gonna hold on to the humidity for a little while longer, but we did lose some of that shower activity as we got into the afternoon. So we see here we had a lot of heavy rain go through early this morning, and now we're just starting to see a little bit of some scattered showers lingering, like areas back into Rangeley and Berlin, and then along the immediate coastline here. So this was kind of the most shower activity that we're going to see throughout the week, but we still kind of have a lot more chances of it as we go into the next 2 days. High temperatures today, though, we mentioned that it wasn't overall very warm today. In fact, we only got to 74 here in Portland, 75 in Augusta, 73 down in Bar Harbor, and our average high temperature for this time of year is 80 degrees. So for a lot of spots, that's about 5 to 10 degrees below average. The humidity, though, front and center. Our dew points once again have jumped into the mid 60s in some spots, and because our temperatures were a lot cooler today, we really felt that humidity when we went outside today. Very sticky, very uncomfortable. And the humidity is going to stick around until we have our cold front go through on Thursday afternoon. So later tonight, a couple of scattered showers will remain. We'll start to build in some more of that cloud cover. And then tomorrow's going to have a bit of a similar feel to this afternoon. So we're still going to have some chances of scattered showers, but overall they're going to be less organized and less of them than the ones that we saw today. So some more scattered showers go through Wednesday afternoon. Overall, a mostly cloudy day, continuing that trend overnight. And then Thursday, we'll start to see that cold front go through. So we'll have some more clouds early in the morning, some scattered showers throughout the afternoon, and then we'll see some storm activity as the front goes through, particularly through areas of northern and western Maine about Thursday evening and Thursday afternoon there. But that means that cold front is going to go through, and that means the humidity is going to drop, and also our temperatures are going to increase a little bit. And behind that front, an area of high pressure moves in, looking like a mix of sun and clouds on Friday and a really nice weekend coming up. So the stickiness is going to hang around for the next few days here. You can kind of see very clearly where that front is going to go through. We move from the humid category down into the more comfortable category, where we'll remain throughout the rest of the week and into the weekend. We'll also start to warm up a little bit. Temperatures tomorrow and Thursday are going to remain resoundingly below average, only in the low to mid 70s. And then for the end of the week into the weekend, we return to temps in the 80s. Right now, we're watching for the beginning of next week. There isn't a ton of model agreement to it, but we could have a chance of temps getting back into the upper 80s to lower 90s. So we'll watch that as it gets a little bit closer. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet, water 64 degrees there. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast coming up. So overall today was kind of our biggest chance of that rain moving through. Some scattered showers tomorrow, but overall less of them than we saw today. Some scattered storms throughout the afternoon and early evening on Thursday. Brian and Amanda, right now Friday looks like a nice day and the weekend looks good too. I feel like this summer that's a trend, nice weekends, but I don't want to jinx it, so I'll knock on the wood under this table.
That's right, we'll go with nice trend for now. Perfect.
Yes.
Dana, thanks so much.